So where this can kind of come into play is like, let's just think of, I don't have a chord sheet in front of me, but I was just kind of going to go off of that song. Where that comes into practice is you can go, the sun, let's see, the sun comes up, it's a new day dawning, it's time to sing your song again. It's back to, so you're doing that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's where I would kind of like apply it to a real live song. Do you want to pull up a chord sheet? Maybe 10,000 Reasons or something. Here I Am to Worship. So this is where you could just have a chord sheet up beside you and you're practicing not being perfect at this, like what I just did. I was making mistakes. I'm going off my head. I don't have a chord sheet in front of me. But that's where that eighth note can come into play to make a song sound pretty by adding it in, a broken pattern rather than together, right,